Bangkok Club and they achieved that was by jersey number 3 Rajkumar, who is the most magnificent player in the team. Age is not a number. You can prove it on this ground now. Age doesn't matter. When you have a stability, flexibility, and a strike speeding of lightning, speed and spirit. Most of you, upon all of these things, you have to show that was a massive ball, dashes through the line and got a point. Got a point. 1 minute done with the team and they added couple of points on the board. The accelerations from the Bangkok Club, the massive electrifying accelerations on the team, giving the course, will make it out. Again, that was a fumble between the players. 13 number jersey creating a massive decisive movements on the ground. Will his tactic work and will he spend 1-2 more minutes on the ground to make his team win? Jersey number 3, again, there is a dive. Oh, that's it, again a mind game. No, buddy, when you have crossed the line, you have to follow the call. Jersey number 13. No, that's not so. You can't make a move. That was advance goal, which makes you to the foul. Again, jersey number 13 playing between the players and running between the poles. Almost 2 minutes is done with the Bangkok Club. There are only 2 points on the board. If they have to reach more points, they have to get rid of this man. But the Rajkumar will return back to sign. Finally they got the right. Finally they got the jersey number 13 of West Club. That was done by their star magnificent player Virat Kohli of the team. Rajkumar, jersey number 3. This was the Kho at its finest. You can see. Again there is a dive. Will that the accelerating dive be very point? Again that's a point. That's a clear complete point. Dives make you matches. Dives make your matches. Again there is a dive. These guys are flying. They are not running. They are just like flying. Bhag ka bhag. The movement. Again. No, that's a foul ball. No, that's a foul ball. Given a point. Okay. 1 point. In a gap of 1 minute, they added 3 more points on the table. Bangkok Club. Spectacular athleticism showing by the Bangkok Club members. They are just not running, they are just dealing in the air, just flying, making dives to make the match to the end. West Club doesn't have any clue whether they have to do a show. But they are completely, that's a leg touch. That is time for the leg touch, which was the most successful tactic in this Kho. Jersey number 11 got it! They got their body. Jersey number 11 made an acceleration movement and got his body. Jersey number 11 have no clue what to do, just have to depart from the ground now. Again, the jersey number 7 running with a high speed. Team coordination among the Bangkok Club is on a high speed. Team coordination make you matches lead to the finals and make you win. 4 moves done with Bangkok Club. They are at 7 points. Now they are leading their first innings. If they make more points, now that was a benefit and which makes them lead. Again, that's a massive dive. Delay any chance, but he will take a shot. Jersey number 6 showing the high speed of the athleticism on the ground. Again, there's a leg touch dive. That's a given. Great sports spirit shown by the jersey number 5. After that, he himself moved without the referee signal. Jersey number 11 again departed. Now the first set on the ground, jersey number 9. That's a pole dive, but doesn't fetch any points for him. Jersey number 9 reading the minds of the opponents like in a textbook rules. If you read the minds of the opponents, you can chase the game. You can master the game. Again, jersey number 9 mastering the game by running between the poles, which was the 5 minutes done with the Bangkok Club. Jersey number 9 just reading their mind and mastering the game like he was a champion in that. Again, the pole again there is a cheetah dive, but that doesn't fetch any point to them. Jersey number 10. Moving to gap, the jersey number 9 at any cost. Bangkok Club, you have to follow the line code to get rid of him. Again, Rajkumar made a dive. Will he make again? But the line code was broken. But the jersey number 9, there is a foul call. Jersey number 9 showing calm and cool movements in the ground, just running between the pole and the rest of the two guys making a rest. That was one of the successful tackle by the West Club, which has to show on this ground. Every touch, every dive tells a story of courage and commitment of players on this ground. Again, will he? That's a dive. Oh no, there's a no luck touch. Again, there is a foul ball. 6 minutes done with Faiza Club. They are just 8 points. They grab only 8 points now. 9 points, sorry. Now, this is Jersey number 9 has to depart from the ground, but he showed his impact. He spared 2 minutes of time on his ground, controlling the Faiza Club up minds in the ground by chasing. Again, there's a cheetah dive. That doesn't make any sense to them. Again, Jersey number 3, that's it. Grab, there's a no grab again. He's showing a proper athleticism in the age of 6-7, I think so. Almost competing with the higher ages who are more senior than him. But the Jersey number 3, you have to take a big ball. Again, Jersey number 13. Oh, that was the final call.